Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove two blue arrows from icons in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I'll show you guys how to do it. Method 1 will remove two blue arrows from one item. Just right click on the folder you having these two arrows and select properties and select advanced and uncheck this compress contents to save disk space and select OK, and now select apply and select apply changes to this folder and subfolders and files and select OK, and now just refresh this page. As you can see, this two arrows has been removed for this one folder. Method 2 will remove two arrows from all items guys. To do this, you just need to go back and right click on the folder and select properties, select advanced, uncheck compress contents to save disk space and select OK, and select apply. Apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files and select OK. Select apply. You just need to wait for this to get done. After finishing this, select OK, and now two blue arrows will be removed guys in all subfolders. As you can see inside here, you want it be able to see the two arrows, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.